Ole tuntum video chuan exercise 1 naka installment kan zer do na hemi chapter atang hian each installment ti ho zong zong kha kan zer to chuni abak kha chu omit zinga khan tela each installment ti ho kha kan en chiang big don mo. Exercise 1 question number 1, a loan of 21,200 rupees returned into equal annual installment. That means this is amount. Okay, amount. So you borrow some money, and then after 2 years, let's say if it is 2 equal annual installment, I assume that 2 equal, it means 2 years. Okay, each year you have to pay a certain amount, then that money sum up to 21,200. Okay, if the rate of interest is 12%, rate of interest is 12% per annum, compounded annually, calculate the value of each installment. We have to find each installment. As I said, we will assume these two as 2 years. Then first year, if you paid 1,000 rupees, and then another year also you have to pay 1,000 rupees. That means 2 equal installment you have to repay money. Okay, how will we do? Let's write solution first here. Sum borrow, this amount we will assume this as a sum borrow. Okay, sum borrow is rupees 21,200. This is sum borrow. Then rate of interest, rate is given, rate R, let's say R is 12%, compounded annually. Okay, PA per annum. Then what else is given? These two are given. We have to pay this money into equal annual installment. Annual installment means each year you have to pay a certain amount of money. Okay, that money we have to find it out. So let's write, let the value of each installment be X. Let the value of each installment be X. Okay, that means in the first year if you paid X amount of money, then another year also X amount of money you have to pay it back. Okay, to that 2 times X, that means X plus X will equal to this one. Okay, sum of this sum borrow. Okay, then this is our installment. Then in each installment we will have principal. Okay, and P1 and P2 be the principals for each installment. For each installment, that means we will assume this X as amount angin kan ngayang, and then your principal will be P1. Okay, again X hi amount akan assume lenga, then principal will be P2. Okay, hay hi amandan hi tihan kan mga, therefore formula kan naika amount A is equal to P1 1 plus R by 100 N tikha kan mo. In case of the first installment, this N will be 1 since it is first. Okay, first ni bangin N aya 1 kan mga. In the second installment, N value will be 2. Okay, avoi ni na chuan n kha 2 ni tong avoi khat na p1 ni chuan 1 kan hmanga p2 ni chuan 2 kan hmanga. Okay, then a is what? Some each installment, as I said, x is our amount. In this case we will write x equal to p1 1 plus rate is 12% by 100. And since it is first installment, we will write 1 here. Then x is equal to p1, reduce this by 4, 4 3s are 425, and the first year x equal to p1, take LCM is 25 plus 3 1. Then x is equal to p1, see 25 plus 3 is 28 by 25. Since it is power 1, we remove this power 1 as it is already. 28 by 25 is 1 time. Okay, then we have to shift this 28 by 25 to the left side. If we shift this denominator will go up and numerator will be at the denominator. Then x is equal to p1. Okay, or p1 is equal to 25 by 28 x. Since it is the first installment, for the second installment we can write okay, and p2 will be 25 by 28 power square x, right? Since it is second installment, we have to write p and the power also 2. Okay, this is p2. So now sum borrow is what? Is 21,200. This is our sum borrow. Then sum borrow is what? P1 plus P2 will be our sum borrow. P1 plus P2 equal to rupees 21,200. Then P1 and P2 is what? See, P1 is this one and P2 is this. Then we have to find x value. As I say, x is what? Amount of each installment. We have to find this x value. So P1 value is 25 by 28 x plus 25 by 28 power square x equal to rupees 21,200. So here 25 by 28x plus 25 by power square x, we have to take common factors from here. Common factors means here, so that factor should be in this also and here also. Okay, then what will be the common factor? See, since they are exactly same, 28 one time, 25 by 28 times, so one time will be our common factor. 25 by 28. See, x also, we have x and x, can take x as common. Then from here, since this whole terms came out as common factor, so only one will remain. If we multiply this and this, you will get the same, and then this plus. From here, one time already came out as common factor, so another one time will remain, 25 by 28. Then this x already came out as common, so rupees 21,200. Then 25 by 28 x, take LCM from this. LCM will be 28 plus 25, we have to add this to rupees 21,200. Then 25 by 28 x, add this 25 plus 28. 25 plus 28 is 53 by 28. Okay, 53 by 28 rupees 21,200. So to get this x value, all this fraction we have to shift to the right side, but on changing their position or taking this left side values to the right side, all the denominator will be go up and then numerator will be go down. Okay? X is equal to rupees 21,200. As I said, since they are multiplied in this case also, I will put this denominator to the numerator and numerator to the denominator, but the sign is multiplication. Okay, why? Because we already interchange their already take their multiplicative inverse. Okay, 28 will go up, then 25 will be here, then 28 and 25. Okay, that means we have to multiply all these. Let's simplify first. If we simplify this, 25 25 25 8 0 200 25. Okay, let's do here 21 200 28 25 28 25. 5 5 0 5 4 0 5 2 0, then 20 will remain 5 4 0 0, again 5 5 8 0 5 4 0 5 8 0, 25 2 4 8. Okay, then on multiplying these we get 12,000 12,544. 12,544. X value in this case is 12,544. This is the amount of each installment, or the value of each installment which you have to pay it back in 2 times. Okay, this is the first time, and then the second time also you have to pay 12,544. If you add these two, we will get some borrow, that is 21,000. Sorry, this is a value of each installment you have to pay it back, but if you add these two, it will be more than some borrow. Okay, since there will be interest. This is our money which you have to pay it back into 2 times. Hence we will conclude here. Hence the value of each installment is rupees 12,544. Okay, then your homework will be question number 6. Question number 6. In this case, in this question, see, yeah, there is some money which Lucas has to pay. Okay, to find that sum of money, you have to subtract cash price minus the money already paid. Cash price is 70,000 and the money already paid is 21,200. Okay, that means 70,000 minus 21,200, there will be balance. Okay, that balance will be your sum borrow. Okay, in this case you have to try this question number 6 and submit it to me before 7 p.m. Thank you.